Good morning to everyone here. Today I am Mayank Tiwari and my teammate Lakshay of class 12th A are going to explain entrepreneurial competencies.
What is entrepreneurship? A person who set up a business or businesses taking on financial risk in the hope of profit is entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize and run a business enterprise along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business. Entrepreneurial competencies. The term is made up of two words entrepreneurial, which means developing and launching a new business and marketing them, often with end goals of selling the businesses to turn a profit. And the word competence refer to a combination of knowledge, motive, attitude, and habits. Entrepreneurial competencies: initiative, opportunity seeking, persistence, information seeking, problem solving, risk taking and risk management, leadership, quality of work, persuasion, communication skills, self confidence. Initiative: individual ability to turn ideas into action. It includes the ability to plan and manage project in order to achieve a objective. Taking action that go beyond job requirement or demand of the situation. Opportunity seeking, looking for the opportunities to take a action. This kind of people always look for the opportunities to make money, leverage. One more thing, they always want to figure out the next trick, the next thing that work online, etc. The successful entrepreneur seek to find new way to please old customers. Persistent, taking action to overcome the problem that get in the way of achieving goals. An entrepreneur taking suitable action to face a problem, ensuring all the effort to solve the problem. Entrepreneurial persistence is demonstrated by an entrepreneur continued positive maintenance of entrepreneurial motivation and constantly renewed active engagement in new businesses venture despite counterforces or enticing alternatives. Information seeking. Information collected by an entrepreneur play a crucial role in the progress of an organization. The quality in the method of collecting information and extract of its utilization will help for the success of the organization. An entrepreneur undertakes personal research on how to satisfy customer and solve a problem. He or she knows that different people have different capabilities that can be of help to them. He or she seeks relevant information from his or her clients, supplier, competitors and others. He or she always wants to learn things which will help them to grow a business.
Problem solving. It is a basic skill that every entrepreneur should have. When you are an entrepreneur, then problem solving skill is an important responsibility for you because it is required to resolve and avoid risky challenges that come in your path. If you are having significant problem solving skills, then onwards you have a better chance to overcome unexpected problems. Risk taking and risk management. Successful entrepreneurship involves taking risks. Countless entrepreneurs have taken risks to get their businesses to where they are now. Taking risk in entrepreneurship involves careful planning and hard work. Risk taking is important as you learn from taking a risk. Innovations cannot happen if you will not accept the risk. Some risk may not pay off, but an optimistic risk taker will always look failure as an opportunity to learn. Leadership. A leader is a person who leads the workers through proper guidance to achieve the objectives. A leader is able to clearly articulate their ideas and the plan to achieve the goals. Leaders avoid ambiguities and misunderstanding due to poor communication. And successful entrepreneurial leader knows his goals exactly. They communicate their vision with their team to make it real. An entrepreneurial leader realizes the importance of initiative and they go out of their way to provide all the support that the team needs to achieve the goals. Quality of work. Successful entrepreneurs always seek for high quality standards of their work. They believe in excellence. They do every sacrifice to get their task completed. They put highest priority for accomplishing their objective. They are committed to their work. Communication. Entrepreneurs always try to improve their communication skills because it will assist in sharing their ideas and presenting them clearly, and to constantly work in a better way with their team members. Having good communication skills will also help an entrepreneur at the time of explanation, presentation, as well as many other places where a person has face to face talk with people. Self confidence. It is a key entrepreneurial skill for success. It is easy to become demoralized, frustrated, and resentful if you lack self confidence. Self confidence is concerned with how a person feels about his ability. A successful entrepreneur believes in his abilities. He is not afraid of taking risks or difficult decisions. Self confidence is important in decision making as one needs to be assured that the decision made by them is right. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you in understanding about entrepreneurial competencies and its importance in entrepreneurship.